Now question 5b. 5b says a equal to root over 3b plus c by b minus c. So here a is 4. So a is 4 equal to root over 3b. That means 3 multiplied by 9 plus c divided by b is 9. 9 minus c. Now do the square. So 4 square is 16 equal to 3 9s are 27 plus c by 9 minus c. Now do the cross multiplication. So 16 multiplied by 9 will be 144 minus 16c equal to 27 plus c, or we can write 144 minus 27 equal to 16c plus c, that will be 17c, or c will be, a denominator is 17. 7, 7, 14, we have 1, 3, 1, 1, 7. So 6 whole 15 by 17. Question number 6a. 6a says a by a plus 2 equal to 3 by 5. Now do the cross multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 5a, 3 multiplied by a plus 2 will be 3a plus 3 to the 6. So 5a minus 3a equal to 6. So we'll get 2a equal to 6. Then the value of a will be 6 divided by 2, 3. Now question number b. Question number b says 1 by b minus 2 equal to 2 by b minus 1. Now do the cross multiplication. So 2 multiplied by b minus 2. 2b minus 2 to the 4. 1 into b, b minus 1. So 2b minus b equal to minus 1 plus. Then we get b equal to 3. Now question number c. Question number c says 4 divided by c plus 3. We can move 3 by c plus 2 on another side. So equal to 3 by c plus 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So 4 multiplied by c plus 2. 4c plus 8 equal to 3c plus 9. Or we can write 4c minus 3c equal to 9 minus 8. Then the value of c will be 1. Now question number d. Question number d says 5 divided by d plus 4. We need to move 2 by d minus 2 on another side. So equal to 2 by d minus 2. Now do the cross multiplication. So 5 into d minus 2, that will be 5d minus 10 equal to 2 multiplied by d plus 4, 2d plus 8. So you can write 5d minus 2d equal to 8 plus 10. So it will be 3d equal to 18. Then the value of d will be 18 by 3, 6. Now question number E. Question number E says 6 divided by f minus 10 divided by 3f equal to 2. So we need to multiply the denominator by 3 to make same denominator. So 3f is our denominator. The numerator will be 3 6 18 minus 10 equal to 2. So 18 minus 10, 8 by 3f equal to 2, or we can write 8 equal to 3 to the 6f, or f will be 8 by 6, or after reducing this one to the lowest term, then we'll get 4 by 3 or 1 whole 1 by 3. Number f, to make the same denominator, we need to multiply this 6 by 7, 7 by 6 and 14 by 3. Okay, then all denominator will be the same denominator. Okay, now all denominator will be right now 42h. So 7 5s are 35 plus 6 6 are 36 minus 3 9s are 27 equal to 4. Okay, now do the cross multiplication and we'll calculate this one. 35 plus 36, that one will be 71. So 71 minus 27. 71 minus 27. So 4, we have 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 44. So we'll get 44 equal to 4 multiplied by 42, h. So 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16. 168 h. So h will be 44 by 168. After cancelling both 1 by 4, we'll get 11 by 42. And this is the solution of question number 8.